Welcome back to Auto Drive, the place where we bring you the latest reviews, updates, and insights on the world's most exciting cars. If you love learning about the newest models and want detailed breakdowns of their performance, design, and features, make sure you hit that subscribe button right now so you never miss our future uploads. Today we are taking a close look at the 2026 Volkswagen Corrado, a modern revival of an iconic nameplate that blends classic coupe styling with cutting-edge technology and performance. Stay with us till the end because we will cover everything from the engine and handling to safety, infotainment, and the special features that make this car stand out in today's competitive market. Starting with the engine, the 2026 Corrado is offered with a range of powerful options depending on trim. Buyers can expect a turbocharged 4-cylinder delivering excellent efficiency as well as a more aggressive V6 setup for those craving higher horsepower and torque. The engines are finely tuned to balance sporty performance with everyday drivability. Torque delivery is smooth and responsive, making this car a thrill both in city driving and on open highways. Transmission choices include a quick-shifting dual-clutch automatic with multiple gears for smooth acceleration and an optional manual gearbox for purists who enjoy full control of their drive. Depending on configuration, the Corrado is available in front-wheel drive for efficiency, rear-wheel drive for sporty dynamics, and an advanced all-wheel drive system for enhanced grip and stability under different road conditions. Inside, the cabin is built to impress with premium materials such as high-grade leather, soft touch panels, and available wood or chrome accents for a luxury touch. Seating capacity is comfortable for 4 passengers with well-bolstered front sport seats that can be equipped with heating and cooling functions. Drivers will also enjoy modern conveniences like power windows, power locks, cruise control, and an optional panoramic sunroof that adds to the premium feel. The exterior design reflects a bold coupe profile with sleek proportions, aerodynamic lines, and an aggressive front fascia featuring a distinctive grille. The dimensions of length, width, height, and wheelbase provide a perfect balance between sporty handling and passenger comfort, while stylish alloy wheels further enhance its road presence. Handling and suspension are tuned for both comfort and sport. Independent suspension systems with advanced shocks ensure precise control, while rack and pinion steering delivers sharp and direct feedback to the driver. Braking performance is enhanced with large ventilated disc brakes on all 4 wheels, offering strong and confident stopping power in any condition. Safety is a priority in the 2026 Corrado, with multiple airbags, anti-lock braking system, electronic stability control, and driver assistance technologies that help reduce risks during travel. Infotainment is equally impressive, featuring a modern touchscreen system with GPS navigation, Bluetooth connectivity, premium sound setup, and smartphone integration to keep you connected and entertained. Notable highlights include performance packages with sport-tuned suspension, unique trim options, and special edition models that bring back classic Corrado heritage with modern upgrades. Volkswagen has ensured that the 2026 Corrado is not only a performance coupe but also a car filled with comfort, technology, and safety features that appeal to a wide range of drivers. That wraps up our in-depth look at the 2026 Volkswagen Corrado. If you enjoyed this video and want to stay updated on all the latest cars and automotive news, don't forget to subscribe to Auto Drive and hit the bell icon so you never miss an upload. Thanks for watching and we'll see you in the next review.